So here I am polishing this BRZ. Now, it just goes to show the different compounds and the different combinations that you can actually end up with. I wouldn't actually class this compound and pad combination a correction. It's Menzerna 3500 with a Shine Mate blue pad. I'm just about to clean this, by the way. The Shine Mate blue pad is actually an intermediate pad, and this is a finishing polish. So it's not even really a compound, like a cutting compound. It's more of a finishing compound to remove defects from a heavy cut. And that's what I'm finding is the ideal correction method on this black BRZ. So Subarus are notorious for having soft paint. This actually, Subaru, Toyota, whatever you want to call it, yeah, it's got really soft paint. So I've tried a number of combinations and I thought, geez, I can't seem to be correcting this thing. It just keeps on coming up with more swirl marks. So basically the super fine finish with an intermediate pad is giving absolutely flawless results. Now it's not it doesn't have any fillers in it. This is still it's still a polishing compound. It will still remove defects. But what I was finding with the heavier cutting compounds, so like the 2400 or even the 400, is that it was cutting too aggressively and therefore making defects in the paint. So you'd remove a big scratch or a big gouge, but then you would put in some smaller or medium ones. So this actually removes the marks that it needs to, and it finishes down perfectly. So it's a bit of an odd combination, but that just goes to show that you know, it's not a one size fits all, and we'll just keep going, and it'll be ready for coating soon.